In today's video, I am going to teach you how to highlight the active row in Microsoft Excel. This is a quick, reliable way to keep your eyes aligned with the data you are working on, and it works in all modern versions of Excel. Start by deciding where you want the effect to apply. If you want every row on the sheet to respond, press Ctrl-A to select the entire worksheet. If you only want this behavior within a specific table or range, click and drag to select just that area instead. Selecting the correct range up front ensures the highlight appears only where you need it. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting, then choose New Rule. When the new formatting rule window opens, pick the option that says Use a formula to determine which cells to format. This tells Excel to apply formatting when a certain condition is true, rather than relying on built-in presets. In the formula box, type this exactly: equal row open and close bracket, equal cell open bracket double quote, row double quote, close bracket. This formula works by comparing two numbers. Row open and close bracket returns the row number for each cell Excel is evaluating in your selected range. Cell open bracket double quote, row double quote. Close bracket returns the row number of the active cell, the one you currently have selected. Whenever those two row numbers match, the condition is true, and the formatting will be applied to that entire row across your selected range. Be sure to include the equals sign at the beginning and type row in lowercase inside the quotes. With no extra spaces, now click the Format button. In the Format Cells window, go to the Fill tab and choose a highlight color that's easy on the eyes, something light enough that your text remains readable. You can always come back and adjust this color later if you change your mind. Click OK to confirm your format, then click OK again to finish creating the rule. You should now see the active row highlighted wherever your selection is. Try tapping the arrow keys or clicking different cells. The highlight will follow you as you move, making it much easier to scan across columns without losing your place. If you only applied the rule to a specific range, the highlight will appear only within that range, which is perfect for focused tables or reports. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.